All right, last one.
This is 1 hour to teach a backflip. Now, there's two things I want to mention. Was this actually the last one, Will?
There's many more. But,
you're cutting me short right now?
Yeah.
622. Yeah, you probably should. You can save those ones though, right? Because I have good links in there.
I know you do. Yeah.
Well,
what?
You got to believe me.
Yeah.
I have good links in there. Anyway. So on this one here, what we have is a clip of somebody learning a backflip in a short amount of time, 1 hour. Shout out Jiggin' with Jordan, by the way. We really appreciate the support. We definitely got to buy some tacos now. Yeah. Now, there's two things. Okay, first of all, let's just watch it for a bit. Yeah, just let it play.
Is there audio?
I don't remember. It's not important.
Backflip ever. So I started out by making sure he knew how to do a backward roll, and then I had him.
Oh yeah, you can turn off audio. It's all very self-explanatory.
So he has a coach. And
Otis.
the coach is
Otis sound like a sloth bear right there. Yeah, so the coach is doing one step at a time. It's like you jump straight up, and then it's piecing it together in different stages, including this last sort of somersault aspect. Now, you would think of a backflip and you would go, okay, like it's just not going to happen, especially not in an hour. And the kid is obviously pretty athletic here. But can I just talk about something else in the meantime? This editing style.
Yeah, it's very instructive.
But doesn't it feel like your brain is glitching? It's so many cuts.
Oh.
You didn't notice that at all?
I didn't really notice.
Wow.
No. I'm just really in tune with like how they are doing it.
I am amazed. You must watch more
cool.
You must watch more TikTok than I do.
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm more used to it.
Because I was just like, wow. It's like there. That was like 10 cuts.
Uh-huh.
Those guys. It's like crazy number of cuts. Maybe it's the new trend.
Maybe.
But
like
anyway,
zooming in and out.
It's impressive regardless. And when you break it down in these steps, you realize it's not really that crazy. It's just combining it all together and believing you can pull it off.
And experiencing the like steps in order to get it. Like he's trying to work on the landing. And if you were to do it at like front to end, I think that'll be really scary to do. But if you kind of like know the ending part or like in the middle and try to break it down in that way, I feel like it's kind of helpful.
And then, of course, the last piece is actually just physically aiding in it. And then
tons of padding.
Hands and lots of padding is key here. But yeah, it's a kid doing no mat, just like straight up backflips in an hour. It's pretty cool.
That's cool, man.
That's what I thought. Give me one more, Will. Let me have one more. Come on.
What?
Let me have one more. Give me one more post.
Oh, one more?
Give me one more link. Don't fade me out. Oh, no, don't. Get rid of this one. Get rid of that one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, no, let's...
wow, you actually have a lot of links, too.
There's a lot, yeah. Well, what do you want to do? This one?
All right, never mind. We'll come back. I was thinking of something that would be good for Vin. Oh, go to the one the other Reddit post, but further up to the left, like beside one? Nah, never mind. Okay, cool. Well, whatever. We'll get to more posts tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll get back to it.
Willie Doo is exhausted and starving, and he needs tacos, and it's a hard life out here, man. This the grind.
Yeah. Appreciate the super chats.
Yeah, we really do. Since we're copyright infringers anyways, we appreciate you guys for making this show possible. It's a rare Vin appearance. Hopefully it's not the last. I know you guys, I know he's the number one most requested guest, so you guys can spam the chat and just let Vin know how much you appreciate his presence, minus the Bronco stuff where he doesn't understand the lore. He doesn't understand Lou Later lore. What are you going to eat, Will? I know you're starving. What are you going to eat?
I don't know. I have to figure it out. I have to make something.
No clue at all? No guidelines? You're going from scratch? Just the whole world of possibilities?
Well, maybe tacos.
All right.
Yeah.
It would be fitting on a Tuesday. And after our tangent, our Taco Tuesday tangent. Yes, appreciate everybody who joined us today. Appreciate all the super chats. Appreciate Vin for joining us. Obviously appreciate Willie Doo for starving for the last 2 hours. Plus, this won't be the last time. In fact, we'll see you sooner than later. Because we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.